Yeah, definitely. I mean, we got Stevie here from the AFL because they deal with about like 400 kicks or something in a game. He said, so getting that like different kind, like just like a different perspective on one of the aspects we also face in rugby. I think it's helped our outside backs a lot, and it's definitely helped the team a lot to understand that whole basically set piece of the game a bit better. I mean, we're one club at the end of the day. If you're playing or not, it's still us that is losing. It's not them and I'm at home sitting there. So you feel the pain they feel on the field. You feel the frustration. You feel the pressure. But it's more motivating, like you said, to just to get that momentum back, get that win back, try and show the guys that you've been working while you were off now. You weren't just sitting on your couch blaming them into the TV or something like that. Finishing my degree was tough. I had to take lots of time off from the Stormers, and they were very almost forgiving and supportive in that way to make sure that I could be able to get my degree. And then to keep on playing for them and to get to 50. I mean, if you gave me a deal when I was a lighty at school or something and told me, listen, when you're out of school, we're going to give you one cap for the Stormers, I would have made that deal any day. And now I'm standing on 50 for the week, and I'm getting goosebumps just like talking about it. But yeah, it's incredible. It's been my team since I could remember watching rugby. So yeah, it's great.